this son of a bitch and fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, B, probably B1. Stealing my goddamn gas again. Jeepers. Oh, no. Oh man. Working your garden?
Going to.
You don't have it hooked up yet. I'll help you do it then.
It's sitting in the pine over there, right? So.
Don't pull a Clifford and burn it to the ground.
No.
Off like a wild whore, he says. What? Oh, because this clutch is sticky. Hasn't used it for anything yet this year, so. Just plowing. Need some cast lights on the front. Anyway, we're gonna get that baler hooked up, I guess. Well, I was going to use this to pull the big flex header out of the way, but something's obviously gone wrong. I'll just leave that be. He knows what he's doing. I guess I'll use the Dooge. Well, that's less than convenient. Soft in here, apparently.
Must be.
Right down to the hitch. Good thing I brought the jackal, I guess. And then one flat tire. Think we'll get it?
Oh, yeah.
Eventually. Well, that tire has no tube in it apparently, so I can't get air in it, and I can't get the tire off of it where it is up against the wall. And the fucking jackal's a piece of shit, because all jackals are. And I can't fucking get it to bite to lift the thing up out of the ground, so I need a tractor with a chain to lift the hitch, and the fucking 1086 is fucked in typical international fashion. So I might just come get it with the 4020, I guess, since it has a fucking functioning loader and everything. I'll just wrap a chain around it and lift the tongue up. So I guess that's probably what's gonna happen, so we'll talk to you later. Well, it's the next day, And turns out what was wrong with the 1086 is the batteries are fucked on it. So I bought a new set and we put them in, and well, that was yesterday. And now today I brought the 835 and the sprayer to Grandpa's, and we're just on our way back there with the water truck and the chemical. Got our new axle put into it yesterday afternoon as well. Bringing it, we're gonna get it loaded up and ready to go. It's way too windy to spray, but it should calm down here by supper time, or it usually does anyway. Then it'll be ready to go. And then we are going to bring that fucking baler home here with Twan's truck. So that's kind of the plan, I guess. Talk to you when we get where we're going. Hi, we got her lifted up out of the hole. It's kind of partially filled in there now, but bring a couple buckets of gravel. This tire's fucked over here. When we parked it last fall, every fucking 2 miles you had to stop and put air in it. There's no tube in it. The tires are rotten on this thing, so we got a couple new ones on the way. We're just gonna throw a wrong size tire on it for now to bring it home. Got one on a rim, should work I think. And then some belts and things to change on it. She should be good to go, so maybe a couple chains, see what happens. So we got our Frankenstein bottle jack because our Princess Auto Special over there decided that this was the time that it was gonna die. You'd pump the crank and it wouldn't move, it'd just bypass. So we found this old piece of shit in Grandpa's shed and wrapped some fucking electrical tape around the hole because the plug was missing, and it's got ATF and 1540 in it for oil, so she's set. She's golden, just mint. Right, Twan? Yeah. Twan's happier jacking out here than he was when he was laying with his head underneath the gate of the baler while we were trying to get the old tire off. Right, Twan? Yeah. How much further? Long ways. We're getting there. Twan can have a gloat. I can't back these fucking wagons things up to save my goddamn life. 35-foot fucking wagon. You steer one way and it goes the other. Twan can do it. He's way fucking better at it than I am, so don't want to back my header into the wall, so I'll just let him do it. You can laugh at me in the comments if you want, but I can't back these goddamn wagons up to save my life. If that hitch was solid and didn't steer like that, I'd be laughing, but can't do it. Good job there, Super Trucker. Boom, right through the wall. That's good. Can't go too far, we hit the back wall. I gotta find a block now. Gotta try to find a block to stick under the wheel now. Roll some coal with your 5-9 there. Dodge guy. Oh, look at them stacks. I bought that truck for $1 from him because he'd kind of given up on it, didn't use it anymore, and it just been sitting. We put all new hubs and rebuilt the front end completely. But then his Ford did like most Fords and it blew up and he needed a truck again. So I said, well, I'm not really using it. So now it's back over here, putting around, crop checking. That's why it's got stacks. I added those. Ah, well. Fuck, what a nice smooth piece of road. What you reading about? Oh fuck, he's on the Pornhub again. Watching them midgets. Well, there. Only took 2 days to get it home, but we got her home. Bring Grandpa's old truck back now. We knew it would be a bit much there for Antoine's little old farm truck there. My black truck would have done it because I've got the rear end from a 3/4 ton and the leaf springs in it. Whereas his is still just light duty 1/2 ton. 5-bolt rims. Been a bit much for it, so use the old dirge. But that's probably where I'm going to leave you for now, so thank you much for watching. Like and subscribe for more of that fucking face. Leave a comment down below and we'll talk to you later.